Hey guys! Today, I will make you pancakes! Guys, how are you tiganite? Kumusta? Recess time here and welcome to my channel. Let me introduce you guys about my vlog content. My content is more about foods, Pinoy foods, and of course some of the great foods. And slightly about our travel experience and a lifestyle in Greece. So please kindly subscribe and click my notification bell, and for that you will always notified on my next vlog. Let's go! This is my ingredients for my pancakes. I have here chocolate syrup, butter or margarine. Actually, you can use margarine, and 1 lemon, and 2 eggs, and a flour. This flour, guys, is already made. It has already a how we call it, mixed flour. It has already a milk. Okay, and I have here water. And then let's start. I will show you how I make it. Here guys, I get a clean bowl, and then let's start. And of course, a hand whisk. And then let's start with the eggs. Let's start beating with the eggs. Whisk it until it comes soft, fluffy, slightly fluffy. And now let's add the lemon juice. Gradually add the lemon juice while whisking. And now add the mixed flour. Partially add the half and then mix. And add also the water partially. And now add the remaining flour. Mix it well. And also the remaining water. And that is, guys. This is very easy. I don't need to add sugar, guys, because I use the mixed flour. It has already milk and sugar. Here is, and now let's start cooking. As you see, guys, it's just like that. And here, guys, this is our preheated pan. And add some butter or margarine. Just a little, guys. And start making our pancakes. Just like that. About 2 to 3 scoops. Okay, guys. Just leave it. You may do it, guys, in a medium heat. Okay. Not actually a high temperature. Pancake, it must be in the low temperature. It will surely cook the inside, up and down. This is really safe and healthy, guys, because with that lemon. And now we can turn it in the other side. Like that. Oh. Just 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes each side. And it's ready. Look, guys. This is it. It's ready. And again. And leave it again 5 minutes. Now turn it in the other side, guys. And you may spread butter and the finish side. And then this is ready. And And that is all, guys. The pancake is ready. Now let's eat. As you see, guys, it's really fluffy. Look. Now I will show you how I make it. Let's put some garnish with the chocolate syrup and the confectioner sugar. Guys, this is the chocolate syrup, and pour it like that. This is really yummy. Our kids' favorite. And of course, guys, the confectioner sugar. Just like that. And let's eat. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope someday you can make it. Thank you very much, guys. That is, guys, that texture. It's really good. Yummy. That was all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. Mwah! Bye bye.